My people, I want to greet you all of you in the name of Jesus and to thank God for your lives. Today we want to introduce our new channel, Diaspora TV. Diaspora TV is a new creation. It is about culture, it is about entertainment, it is about comedy, it is about music, it is everything that you want to see in entertainment. Everything that will make your occasion wonderful. This is what Dalitino Video Productions is all about. And today we have created the Diaspora Television to showcase the rich cultural heritage of the African nation. Because in these days, when everything that is heard about us in Europe is something that is bad, when it is not about it, it is about that. But there are still some people who are gathering themselves to really promote the rich cultural heritage of our land. We want to take our time now to give coverage to these things, to give full attention to them, and to show to the world, to recreate the minds of the people who are living in their land, that something good also can come out of Babylon. We went out today to the practice ground of some wonderful women from Nigeria, from Edo State, precisely where they are practicing and where they are getting themselves together so that they will show this city of Freiburg in Germany the rich cultural heritage of Edo State. They have started going places, performing in so many occasions. Watch and see only what they were able to do in their practice, and then keep on inviting them to your occasions. Happy viewing. And so, ladies and gentlemen, viewers all over the world, this is Diaspora TV here in the Federal Republic of Germany. We came all the way from where we are staying to the city of Freiburg to behold these wonderful women from Edo State, representing Nigeria, representing the world culturally. And so it's my pleasure to introduce them. They have shown a little bit of, the stuff they are made of. They have started immediately steering the Federal Republic of Germany with this cultural outfit. And I believe that a lot of them out there will soon join them. They have already started going places, and they have people on the background supporting them, like our King and Prince Chief kOFFI, all the way from Ghana. He has been with them, and today, as their daddy in the Lord, I took this time out to come to see them and to encourage them. So it's my pleasure. Madam, say it all.
And this is Edo cultural dance.
Wow.
Edo traditional dance. Yeah, we are promoting our culture.
This costume is very, very...
The king of Edo, this is the attire of the queen.
The attire of the queen,
Yeah.
I can see. And this music, this dance, you can also go to perform where people are doing one thing or the other in Germany, okay?
Yeah, they're in Freiburg. People, normally they invite us when they are having different occasions, summer feast, or when you have marriage also, you can also call us. We can groove it for you. When you have birthday, just call on us. We'll help you to groove it. Wow. Because I don't know they carry love.
What is your wish with this dance in Germany?
So when they told me that I would be leading the Africa dance group here in Freiburg, so I was a little bit wow. I said, okay, I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me, and I just background on some of my ladies here, and they introduced us to our social workers, they introduced us to our daddy kOFFI, and ever since it has been a great privilege dancing with the beautiful ladies here and our daddy drumming for us. And we hope to see a lot of people coming to join us. They registered it. It's well registered, so you can join us. We are never afraid to go anywhere to perform. The social workers, they put it in internet, and I believe God is taking us to somewhere. So feel free to join us.
Thank you very much. Mommy, are you satisfied?
Now this year we start the cultural.
Yeah.
As we started with good life, with the happiness.
Yes,
now that happiness now will follow us.
Amen.
Anywhere we go,
we are very happy because all Saturday we are coming here, come and do practice. Wow. As we are doing it, they take us to theater. Freiburg theater. We go and dance for the theater.
Amen.
We do it, and kOFFI follow us to that place, and we still go another place. We go dance, and 2 places, 3 places we go down. After we dance finish, they say we must go so many places. That is the way we are practice every time.
Okay.
I love it.
Thank you. Sister, what message do you have for people out there who are yet to join you?
Yeah, the message I have for you people, viewers out there, is you are always welcome to join us at any time. You are welcome to join us. When you are dancing gives you joy, dancing make me happy. It's like exercise, make your body look flexible. So you are always welcome to join us.
It's give me a joy to bring out Africa culture. It's very nice. Wherever you are, make sure you bring out your culture way. So you make people to understand where you came from. Hello, Edo. Hello.
Edo to the world.
And this is the voice of the group. He's a singer.
he's a singer.
So tell us.
Hello viewers. We are here to perform our Benin cultural dance, but today we are just in the practice. December 3rd we have we have a cultural dance in a big party in Bank Garden. If you are interested, you are welcome to join us.
The man of culture all the way from Ghana.
Yeah.
Our daddy.
That is our daddy,
It's
Mr.
always,
kOFFI.
it's always
All
there
the way
for
from
us.
Ghana.
So how do you see?
For us.
How do you see what they are doing?
What they are doing is really great because for me it does not concern only Edo.
Yeah. In
It's,
Africa.
it concerns first of all making West Africa present in Germany, and we do it using Edo.
Yeah.
And we realize when I drum my Eastern Ghana drum to it,
It blends.
it blends. That means in Africa we are one.
Viewers,
Let me just everybody.
viewers, I thank God for this wonderful moment. You see what I'm holding in my hand? This is the man instrumental. Can you give him a